Hello and welcome to E-Prime. I'm Crystal. What a weekend for the Creative City, Racers Grand Prix and a high-profile celebrity visit. We start with a jam-packed stadium on Saturday night as Racers Grand Prix featured world track legend Usain Bolt in his final race on Jamaican soil, a 100-meter event titled Salute to a Legend. On the track, the athletes competed, but off the track, it was nothing but good vibes as they celebrated Bolt's farewell with performances from Ding Dong, Beanie Man, I-Octane and Tiffa.
Kind of does flashback from the World Juniors in 2002 right here at the National Stadium. It gone so fast and realized that the man I leave the scene now. Me start worry. So what after Bolt?
Me never did that day. Rio me never did that day. But I am here today. When you say, are your very last day? Jamaican wave right away. Being him and the world beat here. You see him go on the run one every day. We have no one now, no. I'm okay.
Does it have to be the final one? Why? It's kind of one of those things that you know are inevitable, but you don't want it to happen.
You see him get push on the stomach and see. That's what the secret say.
It's like, this is a sacred moment. I can tell my grandchildren about this.
It was a true celebration at the stadium as the Honorable Usain Bolt ran and won his final competitive 100-meter race in Jamaica. Here at E-Prime, we also say farewell to a legend. Jay-Z was in the island over the weekend. The hip-hop mogul arrived via private jet on Thursday. Photos quickly surfaced of Jay-Z in Kingston at the legendary Tough Gong studio and at Hellshire in St. Catherine. The superstar was photographed here on set on Friday with Damian Jr. Gong Marley and Junior Reid, where he was recording for an upcoming visual. Now, this Jamaican trip means more album rumors for the American. Many are now speculating that it's not a question of if, but when Jay-Z's new album will drop. In recent weeks, a mysterious 444 advert appeared on various websites and billboards, leading fans to speculate on a new release date for the mogul. However, the advert, affiliated with Jay-Z's company Tidal, was used to reveal a film starring Danny Glover, Moonlight's Mahershala Ali, and Lupita Nyong'o. By the way, if Jay-Z is dropping his album through Tidal and Sprint, it wouldn't be the first time that Jay-Z teamed up with a mobile company for a release. Back in 2013, the first million Samsung users to download the Jay-Z Magna Carta app received a free digital copy of the album. The rapper made an estimated $25 million through that Samsung deal. And that's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I'm Crystal. Thank you for watching.